Welcome to another video from your friends at Altitude University. By now, you have probably already heard of ChatGPT, the artificial intelligence platform developed by OpenAI and released in November of 2022. But have you thought of how ChatGPT can improve your operation? Today, we are going to give you our top 5 ideas on how this platform can supercharge your drone business. Before we begin, make sure to hit those like and subscription buttons so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. If you aren't familiar with ChatGPT, it's basically a computer program that is trained to interact with humans and answer questions. Additionally, it can respond to prompts and requests regarding the answers it provides. For example, let's ask ChatGPT to write a paragraph about the benefits of traveling. After the response is generated, we can then ask it to modify what it creates. So, we can ask it to write the paragraph in a friendlier tone, and it does just that. Pretty impressive, right? As you can see, ChatGPT is pretty powerful. So, how can that help your drone business? Let's dive in and find out. In today's digital age, establishing a strong online presence is crucial for business success. If you're like me, you'd rather be flying your drone than worrying about social media. But the reality is, social media is too big for any business to ignore. Let's see what happens when we type in, create a social media post for Instagram showing the latest drone footage for a real estate property I just captured with a DJI Mavic 3 Pro. You can see it generates a pretty good answer. By asking ChatGPT to generate a post on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or other platforms, you can have high-quality content generated in a matter of seconds, leaving you more time to get out there and fly. If you're operating a business, customers are your lifeblood. Looking for new customers can be difficult. If you've run out of ideas on how to land additional clients, try asking ChatGPT. If I type in, where can I find new customers for my drone business? We are given several good ideas. From online platforms to working with other professionals, ChatGPT can show you other networks to tap into that you might not already be a part of. Imagine effortlessly generating persuasive email, captivating subject lines, and irresistible calls to action. With ChatGPT, you can supercharge your email marketing efforts and ensure your message resonates with your target audience. Let's see how well ChatGPT does with this one. Write an email for my drone company announcing our new sale of 15% off our services for all first-time customers. While the message probably isn't perfect, it gives just enough for you and your team to start working with. Depending on the type of clients you're reaching out to, you can ask ChatGPT to make the message more professional, friendly, funny, or whatever else you think suits your audience. Adding blogs and articles to your website is a great way to establish credibility and draw people to your business. In my own drone service providing business, many of my repeat customers initially found me through an article I had written in a magazine or on a website. The beauty of ChatGPT is anyone can be a professional writer. Let's see how easy it is for ChatGPT to write a blog for us. We'll type in, write a 300-word blog about how drone photography makes it easier for real estate agents to sell properties. In seconds, we have a blog ready to go. All you need to do is upload it to wherever you want to post it. For tip number 5, immerse yourself in a world of aerial artistry as ChatGPT generates comprehensive shot lists, expertly suggested angles, compositions, and shots that will showcase your subject in the best possible light. Let's try it out. We'll type in, create a shot list for a drone photography project over a housing development. The purpose of the shoot is to capture images that market the property to potential homebuyers. As you can see, ChatGPT provides an excellent list for us to work with. If you are as excited as we are about this new technology, try out ChatGPT for yourself. As you can see with just these 5 examples, ChatGPT is a free and powerful way to supercharge your drone business. Make sure to leave comments below of how you are using ChatGPT. From all of us at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.